Hi, my name is Zach Ellett. I am the Technical Training Manager here at Boon Edam. My goal is to equip you, the field technician, with everything that you need to install and service Boon Edam products quickly and efficiently to satisfy your boss and the customer. I know that training sessions can cost time away from regular work as well as travel expenses. It's a big decision, but I've got 5 reasons why it's totally worth the investment. Number 1, your company saves money. Because of your newfound knowledge, you're more efficient on the job site. In a few short months, the hours that you save during installation and service trips will more than pay back the time that you spent in training. This makes you happy, your boss happy, and most importantly, the end user, the customer happy. And that leads us into number 2. Number 2, you gain confidence and competence. It's intimidating to be in the field working with a product you know nothing about. Have you ever encountered this situation? You're trying to install or fix a product you've never seen before. You're on hold with technical support, the customer is staring at you, starting to notice your lack of confidence. Your boss is asking why you're still at that same job and not the next one. Our technical training minimizes this kind of pressure because you know what you're doing or can easily reference what you learned in the past. You become worth more money to your boss as well. Number 3, your customers will appreciate your performance. When you combine knowledge, efficiency, and confidence and apply it on the job site, the customer is going to notice that. They'll feel good about knowing you have their back, and they'll likely make you their go-to should any product issues arise in the future. All of this could mean more business and revenue for your company. Number 4, you get hands-on experience for 80% of the most common issues seen in the field. Have you ever heard of the phrase death by PowerPoint? It's when someone is presenting and you're mostly taking notes the whole time. It's super boring and you won't retain any knowledge. Most of our technical training classes are hands-on, so you'll get your hands dirty and retain more new information. Whether you attend a training at our North Carolina headquarters or one of our local roadshow training sessions where we come to a city near you, you'll have the opportunity to get hands-on with our products. We'll construct and deconstruct an actual door or turnstile together. I think this is so important to making the training effective. And number 5, it's free. All of our scheduled training sessions are free of charge, minus any travel expenses. You get a free training binder, free lunch, and coffee breaks. And probably my favorite, you get free Boon Edam swag like this awesome t-shirt. So there you have it, 5 reasons to attend technical training. Ready to get signed up? Visit our website, find a training session near you, and click on the link to register. I look forward to seeing you soon.